Hi guys, today I'm literally in Power BI. Well, I'm in Power BI desktop. You need desktop for this version. So first of all, you'll be taken to this page, get data resources. Already made one. There's what's new, Power Block, forums, tutorials, get started, and one to off. So I'm going to just click on this and my Excel workbook. And I'm trying to go to home, and let me just find it. Oh, I can't find it. No, wrong one. Oh yeah, it's in documents. So we're in documents though. Let me just check it out. 1 second. And yeah, but I kind of was lost. I found it. Now I'm just gonna open it. Obviously, it'll just take me straight to it. This is the file I want to publish. And here, it's just gonna go click this one. Now, if you click table 1, it shows you what I can use. Got pencil, I2 region. That's all I need. But my sales and orders, my unit cost, does it say that one? Yeah, it does say that. It doesn't say my orders. Wait, it says my units. I think I need both of these. So now you just need to tap lightly on the square boxes, and we're gonna load it on. So right now it's loading. Just gonna sales orders. So now right here you can literally do nothing on this, but if you go to what can we use? Probably the line chart, and I'm gonna try expand that. I'm gonna try decrease it now. It won't expand very much. It was working last time when yeah, it's not working properly. Well, whatever. So now if we click on this, there's x-axis and the y-axis. So let's go to table 1 and let's go to the sales and orders. No, sales and orders. And this says the same thing. Why did I put 2? So I'm going to add my units on here. The x-axis will show my units, and the y-axis will show my order date. So now it's like that, and I'm just gonna press this. Okay, that's not working. And if you go here and you go to general, you can change the title. Count of order date by units. I don't want that title, so I'll go here to change it. I'm gonna write count of units. There's where I made the mistake. I wasn't supposed to do that. Let me just units visual. Let me go here. So now I'm gonna swap them around. I was meant to do like that way, and now it's looking better. So I'm gonna go back here, go back to general, go to title, units per day. Now I think I can change it. I think FX is no, that's field value. Well, my font is dim. I can change that to Kendara. Anyway, and literally anything I want. I want it to be in Arial black so I can see it. Bold, italic, and underlined. And my text color is gonna be like, it's gonna be this. I just took some sample data from the internet. You can just find the sample data anywhere. I just found some random sample data. I'll link it down. I'll link it to the. I'll link it on my description, so you can use it too. But it's best not to copy me. So we just made a graph with the units per day and some units. But I can still make other graphs. So now we're going to go to a click this clustered column chart. Now I'm gonna no. Yeah. And now I'm going to go to the region, and the region has to go to the bottom. Count of region. Nah. Wait, what count of region? What's the name count of? Let's place it here. Oh, that's the wrong way. So first I'm gonna put my units to the y-axis. So some of the units here. And then I'm gonna put my region at the x-axis. Oh, now I just made a graph to show us what this does. So you can just make it smaller and it easily just shows you. So we're getting the least amount of orders from the west. So let's try this filled map. I don't think that's gonna work here. The filled map's not gonna work. It's not what we're here for. No. I mean, we can use a pie chart. Yeah, let's use a pie chart. So instead of the y-axis and the x-axis like these, pie charts just give me stuff. So let me just add the total and the units of cost to show you how much that costs compared to the total. Actually, that's not a fair comparison. That's like, oh, I'm actually gonna, I'm going to just make some data, and I'm just gonna make some data and upload it in a second. So I'll be back. So yeah, I'm just gonna do something else. So this is my total. I'm just gonna add that value here. So there's 19.3k, and then I'm gonna add another total. So like if you have two data fields, you can just show that. So now there's an exact half. Now the unit cost, and this one's unit cost. So I want the orange to be blue. So if I go to appearance, slices, so with the orange, it has to be the same kind of blue. And then the this. So now the purple bit, so I need to select that, go there. You don't need to select it, but just to make it an indicator. I'm going to make it a little bit lighter of a purple. And escape. Escape. Well, now you can see a very distant shade. So now you can see our sum total and there's some of the total if you have like competition or something. So yeah, this is it. So bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye. Hi guys, today I'm literally